Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of April 13th through the 22nd. This week I had in my schedule to use this sticker sheet that I got at the Dollar Tree, and it kind of has like a butterfly, kind of like a more soft tones, so I thought that I would go ahead and pull this out and use this in my planner this week. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So these are the stickers that this comes with. I love the hummingbird. I'm not going to use that in this one though. I think I'm going to try to, I have a couple different hummingbird things, so I think I might try to do a hummingbird theme. So I'll save that sticker for that one. Oh, there's another hummingbird. Cool. Okay, so I've got those, and then I've got just a couple of other little like word stickers that I thought I could use. Just some other stickers that I kind of pulled out from my stash. There's another one from the Dollar Tree. And then I have this as paper. So, oh, I said the wrong dates at the beginning. The 13th through the 19th. So I have these pieces of paper as my paper for this, because I felt like it kind of went with the greens and kind of the pinks, and the it brought in the pinks and turquoisey colors. I mean the green color. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and I kind of feel like I just want to cover the whole thing with paper this time. I haven't done that in a while. So I think I'm just gonna do that. I'm just going to cover the whole thing and then put this onto the side. And then I think I'll use it on the... Yeah, let me get this piece of paper cut out. So I hope everybody's doing okay. I'm definitely feeling the... Actually, you know what? I think I'm gonna cut it in separate strips. I definitely am feeling the quarantine, stay-at-home stuff. It's definitely starting to get to me. Definitely have to go for a walk today around my apartment complex just to get out. I don't think I've been out of the house. I mean, I think I went and got my mail the other day and that's it. So I really need to get out of the house, at least just for a little bit. And I've completely broken out. Like, what the heck just happened? Why did that get cut so short? What? Alright, well, I guess I won't be doing that because I just cut the piece of paper too short. Alright, well, okay, another plan. Let's see. Well, well, that's no fun. All right, well, I'm just gonna cut this then. So I'll just make it that short. Okay. And then is this the piece that came off of that? Yep. All right, well, I'm just gonna put this, I'm just gonna do every other one now, I guess. Just gonna use this as a template. Okay, well, I'm gonna just cut 7 strips out and then we'll just work with that today. So I'm just gonna use this as a little template. And cut out 7 strips. And then we'll just go from there. So and then I think I'll just kind of go like this with it, kind of just put it every other one. Oh, that's gonna make that shorter. Okay. Okay. So then I'll do every other one. Yeah. I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. All right. So let me get these cut out and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided that I didn't want to put all that paper on there. After I got it on there, it just didn't look right. So I'm just going to cut a strip for the side panel. And I think that's all the paper I'm going to have. I wanted to do some of these butterfly stickers down here so we don't have to worry about the side panel. I think the pink numbers are okay. I feel like that's all I want to do right now with this. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and get everything glued on. Oh, I should, okay. So I think that's really the only stickers I'm going to put on there. So interesting because I really don't like the polka dots, but I know when I get it into my planner, I won't even see it. So I'm just not even going to worry about that. All right, so I think I'm just going to do sticker time. All right, well, I think I don't want to have a middle section. I can't really find anything that's like gonna make it look good, like make it stand out. I don't have like a piece, at least not with me right this second. I might make something later if I find something in my stash or something, but for right now, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as is. And I'm just gonna call this done. I haven't really been filling out too much. I mean, I have a little bit. I mean, you know, it's so hard because you're not really doing anything. So let me get this in my planner. It's not like you're really doing a whole lot. So it's kind of hard. I mean, I put like, you know, some goals that I wanted to do. So I can actually check off playing with me video. And I cleaned my desk today, which I was happy about. But yeah, I like took the day off and I did some planning on Thursday and stuck some more stickers on here, and you know, this is kind of what the end results looks like. I got my Serenity collection on Monday. And then I did want to tell you on Saturday we got together on Zoom. Some girls from the Cheaply Chic Facebook group got together on Zoom. So we are planning on doing that again, probably on the 25th of April. So if you're interested at all in doing that, then go over to her channel and get signed in. I'll leave the link down below to her Facebook group. And yeah, so I'm hoping to do that on the 25th. So the day before my birthday, actually. Because my birthday's on the 26th. So yeah, I think this is pretty. It's very classic, it's not a lot of dimension, which I think I definitely missing in it, but I think that's okay to have flat ones every once in a while. Because I definitely have a lot of dimension typically in my planner, so I think it's okay that I don't have a lot of dimension in this one, but I think it's really pretty. I love these stickers. I think these stickers are super pretty from Dollar Tree, so if you find them, recommend picking them up. Because I did basically a whole planner layout for $1. So, okay guys, so that's all I've got for you today. I will see you again next week. Bye for now.